Hey YouTube, it is Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I move big rocks out of my yard. So I just bought this house at the end of September and they have like these big boulder rocks all throughout the property. And I want to move them completely out of my backyard, and I am lining my driveway with them for the moment. That's just what I'm doing with them. But I gotta move them and I can't lift them up into a wheelbarrow. So I've developed a method. It's not the best method, but it's working. And I thought I would share it with you if you are also a single woman, homeowner, and you kind of just have to make these things up as you go to accomplish tasks. So I'm gonna share you how I move really big rocks around on my property. Okay guys, I'm going to show you my creative method on how to move larger rocks in my yard by myself. This is how I do it. So, you got to get yourself a tarp and you got to shimmy it underneath the rock. Then what we're going to do, it's all about leverage. We're going to put the shovel under the rock and hopefully flip it up on the tarp. Hopefully. All right, so I got the shovel under the rock's moving. So now I'm going to flip the rock onto the tarp, like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this sucker to the spot where I need it to be. Stay on the tarp. Stay on the tarp. Oh, no, 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 no. Got this. It's not foolproof, but it'll work. I swear. Okay. Too, you're gonna get an excellent workout in your quads. You're gonna feel it burn right in here. And that's great. Let it burn. You're also gonna feel it back here. And that's good. We can work our little glute muscles as well. All right, we're almost there. I want to put it along my walkway where I have some other small boulders. Just use all that pent-up anger that you may have towards an ex or unresolved childhood trauma. Just use it to your advantage. Okay, I think I need to keep it on the grass. I'm gonna tear my tarp. Driveway. we want it to go here. So we're gonna flip her over. And that, my friends, is victory. Your driveway, I'm an idiot. I did not put a little hole in my tarp, but that's okay. They're very cheap, but I'm cheap, so I like things to last as long as possible. So let's try it again on the second one. All right, this one's a little bigger, I think. Big one. This is the equivalent of like a 15-pound baby. The other one was probably like an 8-pounder.